Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do a DIY easy tutorial of handbags. So we are going to follow a very simple way. You don't need to have any professional knowledge or any machine sewing. Here just we need a craft needle. So yeah, let's get started. This video is with the collaboration of beadpark, which is one of the largest supplier of jewelry making material. You can find a wide variety of beads and other jewelry making material for earrings, necklace, bracelets. They also have home decoration stuff, craft stuff, DIY kit. Everything is available on one platform. I got a discount code from beadpark, so check the links in the description. Get the discount code and happy shopping. So we are making a clear handbag, which I got the kit I got from beadpark. The quality looks really amazing, and these are two pieces for the front and the back side, and I am going to remove the sheets, which is actually a protector. Okay, so this is for the cat shape, and they also sent some accessories with it, and I am going to attach these clips, and then we'll start making our bag. So I'll be doing by using a plastic canvas. So crochet knitting is another option. I just want to do it simple and quick way. So I'm using this plastic canvas. Okay, so measure and cut the canvas according to the size of the bag. So here I am cutting two pieces because the length of the canvas is short, so I have to combine these two pieces to complete the bag. Next we need craft needle and a fluffy yarn. I am making simple stitches to fill the canvas with this yarn. Okay, so the first piece is done, and now I'm going to attach it with our plastic pieces. So the bottom part of the bag is done, and now I'm going to prepare the top part. For this we need to attach a zip, of course. For this I am cutting the canvas sheet from the center, and then I'll attach the zip with the needle and thread simply. So the zip is done, and now I am going to attach this part with the bag. Before I attach the top part fully, I just realized that I need to cover the inner area with a fabric so we can hide the roughness, and it's easy to use with any kind of stuff like jewelry in the bag or makeup or anything. So that's why I'm covering the inside, and I think this part should be done in the start before attaching the canvas with the bag. So anyways, it's simply done with the help of a glue gun, and now I am going to attach the top part. Before we go further, I'm going to attach some accessories of the bag, like these handles to attach the strip with it. Before I close the bag from the sides, I am going to attach the cat ears, which I am making with this canvas sheet. And then of course we are going to cover these with yarn. And now I am going to attach these ears with the bag. And here I am using a simple black yarn. Okay, so the next step is to cover the top inner area with the black fabric as well. And then I will close the sides. Okay, here I am just hiding some of the white canvas that is shown slightly shown on the sides, just to kind of give it a complete neat look, because it's a white colored canvas. Okay, so attach the chain, and then I am going to make handle by using simple white beads. And this beautiful cat bag is ready. I just love the idea of clear bags, kind of very girlish stuff and perfect for the gift as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Part 2 of bag making is coming very soon in the next week with lots of cute and fun ideas. So stay tuned and see you very soon. Bye bye.